What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm 6-Star Driver here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm going to be talking about a car manufacturer that's taken over the luxury car brand in the US. No, it's not Mercedes, it's not Audi, it's not BMW, it is Genesis. More specifically, the Genesis G90, 2023 model that was just revealed a few weeks ago. Gonna get into it. This car is very special and I like it for a few reasons.
But I'm gonna let you guys be the judge. Just check it out.
This thing is sick. Just look at the LED lights, the grille. Just look at those lights. Something similar to like a Bentley. The wheels, just the way this thing sits. This looks like a $300,000 car. It's not even a Honda. Oh my God, look at the interior. It's amazing. This is amazing. They took their time with this car. Look at the back. You know, you get all the luxury feel like you're sitting in a Bentley or something. You know, long wheelbase. Yeah, this is it. This is it. This car looks amazing.
Yes, Hyundai Motors makes Genesis. Hyundai developed Genesis as a model of one of their cars, and it was so successful that they decided to make Genesis a whole nother brand on its own. The Genesis model is a very luxurious department of Hyundai, and it comes with the America's Best warranty. That's why I prefer Hyundais a lot. A lot of people usually have this notation of Hyundais being a knockoff Honda, which is not true. Hondas are good on its own, but Hyundai is a brand to be reckoned with. They have America's Best warranty, the 10-year, 100,000 miles powertrain warranty. So they back their car up for 10 years, 100,000 miles. Name one other company, car company in the US that does that right now. I'll wait. None. All right? Hyundai does that. That's why I back them up. That's why I like the brand. That's why I'm talking about this brand today. But let's get back to it. I'm talking about Genesis G90. They just revealed it a few weeks ago. They gave us some pictures, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. This car is luxurious, and it has the warranty backing, same as Hyundai, so you have rest assured for 10 years, 100,000 miles. You are protected. Your engine is covered. Your transmission is covered. All the major components of this car is covered. It's gonna last you a very long time, and you get the most bang for your buck. It's a 2023 model, but it's gonna be revealed mid-2022. So it's coming up real soon. They're gonna start unveiling it sometime mid-year. So watch out for this car. It's a force to be reckoned with. Let's go.
Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you like the content. Come back for some more. Got some more videos coming through, man. Shout out to all my subscribers, man. Shout out to everybody that watches my video. Keep coming back. I'm gonna keep giving y'all some more good content, quality content. Keep following, keep liking, keep commenting. Let's go. Catch you guys on the next video. Peace.